In this video, we will show you how to clip any image with any bitmap fill type using any shape or part from your design. As already presented with the Import Bitmap Images video, whenever you import a bitmap image, you need to select a way to handle the image through the Load Image dialog. Using the options Open as Cross Stitch, Open as Photo Stitch, Open as PaintStitch, or Open as Sketch, the software automatically adds decorative stitches on top of the imported image, Cross, Photo, PaintStitch, or Sketch. For any of these bitmap fill types, you may easily apply clipping on the image. By default, for the imported images, the software generates stitches into a rectangular area. But what about having an oval portion of a PaintStitch image, or maybe just a part of such image? Now you can easily do that. Suppose that you have the following PaintStitch image. Start the ellipse tool and click and drag to draw an ellipse on top of the area of the image you want to keep. Select the PaintStitch part along with the ellipse. Right-click on top of the selection, and from the appearing Options menu, use the option Add as Clipping Region. Now only the portion of the image that was covered by the ellipse is visible. Please have in mind that this is not the final step of this clipping procedure. Using the Edit Nodes mode, you can change the clipping region and shape completely. For example, you can change it into a diamond simply by changing its curves into lines, or make whatever change you like just by moving a node or curve. Move it inside the photo area in order to reveal a different part of the image. You may enlarge the shape by selecting nodes and using the resize handles. Likewise, you may also rotate or skew the shape. The possibilities are practically endless, limited only by your own imagination. In brief, the clipping area can take whatever shape you want it to take. For any of these bitmap fill types, once the image is imported, you can easily switch from one type to another just by selecting a different type from the Fill section of the Properties toolbar.